God will take out the things from your life that cannot contain what God wants to give in your life. God will tell you the things you can do so that He can do the things you cannot do. The genuinity of a person is recognized by a person openly admitting his mistake. The greatness of a person is recognized by the way he treats people lower to him. Do not treat small mistakes carelessly, or else the greater mistakes will treat you carelessly. When you are sacrificing the things you desire, you are increasing the fruit of self-control inside you. It prepares you to receive from God. Your reaction to your problem determines what actually you are and what actually is inside you. Great people take decisions during their great test for their great God and come out with their great testimonies. The greatest mistake you make is of a mistake that you cannot make a mistake. A fish should not waste time learning to fly, nor a bird waste time learning how to swim. A small flame can light a candle and even cause forest fires. It is the limitation we put to it. The lady chose to convert the thing she had into what she didn't have. Destiny reveals the intention of the plan of God in the beginning. Delay in obey makes it harder to obey. You can copy the stature but not the favor. It can be problems are impacting you, but your prayers shall overshadow your problems. Let your secret life please God. A remote or mic cannot work on a single cell. Although each has the power, but they need each other to work. Adjust your will according to God's will. Do not adjust God's will according to your will. Keep high thoughts for future, but let those thoughts not hinder you from beginning from low today. When you desire something and do not expect it, but you receive it, your happiness is beyond expression. Presumption of flesh is destruction of spirit. Circumstances fail in the task of destroying you when the joy of the Lord is your strength. Do not let your circumstances become an excuse. Pride brings disgrace, whereas humility brings grace. God reduces the 32,000 to 300, but gets you the victory along